SHEKA coming at ya, and I'm back with another video. Of course, you guys can tell by that pretty little title. Yes, that pretty little title. Today, I decided to choose a mental health day, or be productive, I would say. I have my Circut machine and I have my Epson printer. I did want to take you guys with me to see me create some shirts. I did go to Walmart and I did pick up some gilding. Child, you save money this way, I'll tell you that. This was $8.97. I have 3 adult small. Let's get right into this video. Let's do no, I'm just playing. All right, I'm gonna go with the Circut. I think I'm gonna go with tie-dye. Y'all give me a moment and I'm gonna unravel this and I'll be back. Disclaimer, you can purchase this at Hobby Lobby. So this is how much vinyl you would get. I'm not gonna talk about measurements because I am not a t-shirt designer. This is a DIY, do it yourself. Actually using this, you wanna make sure that when you put it on your mat, give me a minute, let me go get my mat. You wanna make sure when you're putting it on your mat that you flip it on the white side, because if you do it on the front, then it's not gonna iron on. And we got a big problem. We don't want any problems, okay? So, where's my scissors? I'm gonna actually cut a decent size. I know y'all like, girl, you working with a small space. I am, but we gonna get it done. It's already picked. I'm gonna just use my name as a logo. I'm not gonna do too much and I'm not promoting nobody brand because y'all ain't paying me for it. Y'all not paying me for it, so why? And you wanna make sure it's smooth, no bubbles. But when you don't wanna go to the store and spend money, you know, buying other people's brand, you can make your own brand. Just as simple. This is also, you can also start a t-shirt business this way as well. Very convenient, very suitable. I have my logo ready. Size it just so that it doesn't, you know, go too big, go too small. Just as like a blow it mouth, you know. Because it's ready for use. And now we're on the next part of the street. This is something I want to say. When you guys make an error and you see that it's small, use the same vinyl, just flip it. Make sure that you're not using where it cut at. So it completed cutting it. Not that small, but I want it to be bigger. So as you can see, guys, I had to make some room. I'm gonna stick with that size because the size is not too bad. I want it to be bigger, but I'm not Nike. I can't have it the check. Bars. So the next thing that I'm going to do, let me turn on my Epson and I'm gonna be printing out. So while that's printing out, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my 2 shirts ready. Use this heat pad. I'll wait for this to print out and then I'm gonna get my 2 shirts ready and I'm gonna come back to y'all because I have OCD. Like, I need space. Let you dry. Heat presser heating up. This is gonna be the picture that I'm using. So you want to peel it. This part I'm gonna speed through. This is how it look. This is how it would iron on. If you guys aren't good with measurements, you can also buy this. And we're in the middle. I want mine's where it's 4 inches and 10 centimeters. Y'all don't see it the way I do because I mirrored it. Funny me, you know. So I did my measurements. We're gonna do this one first. And what I'm gonna do is heat it up first because you want the shirt to be warmed. You let it cool off a little bit. I'm gonna line this back up. 30 seconds should be good. You're gonna let that cool off a little bit. You want to make sure you go slow too because sometimes the words don't be melted on and you don't want to mess up. So that's that. And there you have it. You know, heat it up a little bit. We're gonna lays out properly. I'm stressing. My anxiety be so bad, y'all. It be like real bad. Oh, that fixed my issue though. I'll tell you that much. Oh no. It ripped her lip. Please give it back. Sir, please give it back. They did not want to see me win. We was doing good. Wow! I mean, I'ma still wear it, but somebody, anybody, everybody scream. There's squares in my pants. With that squares, there's squares in my pants. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell button. No, I'm playing. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell button so every time I drop a video, you guys will be notified. Bye! Something about the way you stare into my